Look at this dirty white car. It's covered in mud and looks messy. Don't worry, it's nothing. Flying Single-Flatbed Tunnel Car Wash Machine can help you solve this problem. Efficient cleaning throughout. Powerful water jets precisely spray, wash sides and hubs at the same time. Remove mud and sand completely, with no residue left. Specialized brushes clean every detail. Wheel arches, skirts, door gaps. Hub edges all covered. Soft bristles reach deep into gaps. Remove hidden dirt, dust, and tough stains. Even cleaning, no damage to paint. Flying latest intelligent flatbed conveyor system with mud drainage holes. Lowers wear, lifetime maintenance free. No tire damage, protects your car. Arm brushes clean the front precisely, then cover both sides and rear. Top and side brushes work together. 360 all-round cleaning. Top brush with intelligent lifting. Fits different roof curves. Even and thorough cleaning. Now it's time for a miracle. From dirty to shiny clean. Visible perfect results. Flying car wash machine. 40 years in car wash equipment. Focus on quality and innovation. Making car washing easier. Making cars brighter.